Briogeo. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is a new brand to me. I've never seen this brand before. It's hair mask. It's avocado and kiwi mega moisture hair mask. I thought it just looked so interesting. What's also interesting about this brand is super clean, super organic. It even says here no harsh sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. It's supposed to be very hydrating for your hair, my hair, everyone's hair. It's the superfoods. Kiwi and avocado are supposed to have a lot of nutrients that are so good for your hair and to hydrate it extremely. So I'm so excited to try this out. And I read reviews people were writing how hair is so much softer even after a few uses. They said that the smell is really good, so let's try it out. I love when a product smells really good. I feel like this one, if it smells like kiwi, oh yeah, just eat it. It smells like pudding. When I see something that's green like this, instantly tells me clean, healthy, good for you. Somehow, even before I read all the reviews, I felt that this is a good product. I had this instinct. I don't know why. I'm very intuitive sometimes, but this is one of those things that I was so intrigued to try. Super hydrating hair mask. Supposed to leave it on your hair for 10 minutes. After you rinse your shampoo, put this on, leave it on for at least 10 minutes. You can also leave it longer if you want to. Sometimes I do leave my hair masks longer. We'll see the results then. Supposedly, only after a few uses.